So something we're going to start seeing this time of year with the hot temps and the dirty irrigation water we have. Crabgrass is starting to pop up pretty aggressively. You can see this lawn right here. It's got a patch. If you look out over the lawn, you might see a couple back here. The phone might focus on that. Right there is a patch. And you can notice crabgrass by the lighter green color as it comes out up over the lawn, and then as you get closer you can see it. And the big problem with crabgrass are these guys right here. Get the phone to focus. There's the seed heads. One crabgrass plant can make 10,000 seeds, and this is what we want to get ahead of. We can treat it right now. The best time to treat crabgrass is in the fall and in the spring, but sometimes you still have to do a treatment during the season as things can move in through our irrigation water. Alright, so here we are 1 week after application. This is what you can expect to see after a crabgrass treatment. We can see this still alive, but a lot of it is dying out. So I know it looks really bad right now, but this is sometimes what you got to do to ensure the crabgrass is out of the lawn. You can see the normal grass that's in the crabgrass is still fine. This treatment specifically targets the crabgrass in your lawn. And after this completely dies out, we'll follow up with an aeration and an overseeding to start filling this back in.